In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download backup from Google One. Start by opening your usual web browser on your computer. In the search bar at the top, type in Google Takeout, then press Enter. On the results page, look for the official Google link that mentions Takeout from Google, not any ads or tools from other websites. When you click that, the Google Takeout page will open, and you should see your Google account avatar in the top right corner so you know you are signed in with the right account. Now click the correct link, and once the Takeout page loads, look for the button at the top that says Deselect All. Go ahead and click Deselect All so every service on the list is unchecked. The page will show a long list of Google products with empty checkboxes next to each one. Starting from a clean slate like this keeps you from downloading extra data you do not need and keeps the export smaller and faster to create. Next, scroll down through the list and check the boxes next to the data you want to download, including Google Photos, Drive, and your Google account info. Take your time as you scroll because there can be many entries. When you check Google Drive, that means your files and folders from Drive will be included in the export. When you check Google Photos, your images and videos from Google Photos are prepared. For the Google account option, you will see things like basic profile data and settings. After you tick each box, the small blue check mark confirms that data type will be added to your backup. After that, scroll to the absolute bottom of the page and click Next Step. The bottom can be quite far down, so keep going until the content ends and you see the Next Step button. Once you click it, the page switches to a new section that controls how your backup will be delivered and how the files are packaged. From there, choose your delivery method by selecting Send Download Link via email. When you pick this option, Google will send a message to the email address of the account you are exporting. The page will show this choice under the Delivery Method section, so you can double-check that it is set correctly. With this method, you can open that email later from any computer and download the backup when you are ready. Now set the file type to zip and choose your preferred maximum file size limit, for example 2 GB or 50 GB. Zip files open on almost any computer without extra software, which makes them easier to handle. The size limit controls how Google splits your data into parts. If your backup is larger than the size you choose, Google will create several zip files instead of a single huge one. Finally, click Create Export. You will see a new page showing that Google is creating a copy of your files, along with a progress message. For large accounts, this can take from a few minutes to several hours, but you do not need to keep the page open. When it is ready, Google will email you a direct link so you can download the backup archive to your computer. You have now created a downloadable backup of your Google One data using Google Takeout, stored as zip files you can keep offline. If this helped you secure your Google data, please give the video a quick thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs.